Hey guys, Sachin here. Welcome to my channel, and in this video we're going to be discussing which offer to promote in Warrior Plus affiliate marketing. If you're doing affiliate marketing and if you're using Warrior Plus offer, which offer exactly you should be promoting to get the highest return on your investment. That is what we're going to be seeing today. So I'm going to be sharing with you how I choose my offers. I'm going to be sharing with you which vendors offer you should be promoting, because there are few vendors whose offer converts really well with solo ads. I'm going to be showing you the proof of that stuff. This is something I'm doing for a few years, and then I'm going to be sharing with you where to go to buy traffic. But in this step 2, which is my Warrior Plus or affiliate marketing tutorial web series, which I'm just doing, this is the step 2 in which I'm going to be sharing with you which offer actually you should be promoting in affiliate marketing. Okay, so here are some of the results which I got from Warrior Plus, and basically why I choose Warrior Plus. That is also important, because I should have also choose ClickBank offer. It's completely fine, but the problem with ClickBank offer is the refund period for ClickBank offer is 60 days. Okay, so if you get a sale today, if you then get a payout after 15 days or maybe 30 days, there is a highly chance if some customer doesn't like the product, he can request a refund request after like 45 days and maybe 50 days. Okay, so at that time what would happen is your account would go on to with negative amount. Okay, so that is a big problem with ClickBank offers. Okay, with Warrior Plus, what I'm suggesting and what I'm seeing, that there are few vendors who actually manage their refund request really well. If you get a sale, when a customer is onto their buyers list, and if his customer is having problem with a particular affiliate product, what to do is they reach out to the customer support, and the product owner actually replies them, gives them more bonuses. He actually helps them. So that gives the customer real confidence into that particular product. And even if that particular product doesn't help him, he doesn't request a refund. Okay, that is the main thing. Okay, because whatever you earn as a sale, the money should be with you. Okay, it's not good to make a sale and get a refund request the next week, which is really annoying. And through my 4 to 5 years, I have seen certain vendors whose affiliate product have regular refund requests. So that is also something that you should be keeping into your mind. And based on that, I'm going to be sharing with you some vendors. Only those vendors offer I would recommend you should be promoting. Okay, so you can see over here some of the vendors over here. Branson, Mace, they manage the refund request really well. The offer also converts really well, and basically they have a really high amount upsells. So if somebody go on to buy every single OTO, then probably you would make like $600 to $500 to $800 with just one customer. So that is also important. Sometimes there are some people who are really enthusiastic and they buy every single OTO. That is something which has happened with me also. So Branson Mace is one of the vendors. Then another vendor is Jason Web Media. Now they have changed their vendor name to Elite Media Online, which is Jason Fulton's products. Then there are a lot of Plus Reach offers also really well. Then Brian Winter's offers are really well. Digital Page Designs Builders offers are really well. So let me share with you how I choose my product to promote in affiliate marketing. Make sure to watch carefully, because this is where a lot of people make mistake. Okay, they think I'm going to be promoting Branson Mace's old offer because they are converted for somebody else. My friend, remember, the offer which is already released, it is being seen by a lot of different people. So if you send like 100 clicks, 200 clicks, maybe 100 people opt into your list. Out of those 100 people, chances are 40 people have actually seen that offer in the past. Okay, so you have actually those 40 people are not going to be looking at your offer. So make sure to understand this is always promote new offers from that vendors. Okay, the high converting product vendor always promote a new offer because it is fresh. It is fresh to the market. Nobody has ever seen it, and the chances of getting high conversions are really, really high. Okay, so where you would find the high converting offer is you want to go to muncheye.com. If you type in on Google muncheye.com, you would land on this page. And this is basically a marketplace where vendors list their launches, the forthcoming launches. Now today is what, 25th of December, so I forgot to wish you a Merry Christmas and a prosperous New Year. Okay, so let's continue. The offer that we would be promoting in my next few videos. This is something which I am doing deliberately because I'm doing a 5-part series. Okay, the first step is already I have created. You can check it out. I will put a link right below this video in the description. It's about how to create a landing page. This is about how to pick up an offer. The third one is going to be how to set up your email follow-up sequence. Fourth is going to be how you buy the traffic, and we're going to be doing a real traffic purchase. And the fifth is, if you don't make money with your solo ad, how could you recoup your advertising costs? That is what we're going to be covering up in this whole 5-part series. So this is the step 2 of which offer to promote or how to pick up an offer. So probably in the next few days, we're going to be looking at which offer to promote. So today is 25th. So today, not really exciting somebody's launch. Tom has good offer, but it is a software launch on JVZoo. So we're not going to be choosing it. Glynn Kosky's offer is really great. Glynn Kosky is one of the vendors whose product you should be promoting. It converts really well. Glynn Kosky. Then I can promote Sean Josiah. Is a top ClickBank vendor. Perpetual income, if you know, it is Sean's product. Okay, then Rich Wick, this guy is also has a good product, and his product also converts really well. And of course, Wesley Virgin is a big player in the game of ClickBank and a lot of different affiliate marketing. You can promote this InstaPace. You can promote Venkata Ramana, his product. And okay, 5th Jan, you can see over here, 5th Jan is Jason Fulton's offer. So we're going to be promoting this offer, my friend. So I'm going to be showing you how you can basically apply for that affiliate offer. If you're a new affiliate to the game, and if you don't have a sales history, how could you get approved for an affiliate offer? So this is an offer which is releasing on 5th Jan, I guess. They have, let's put it 5th Jan. So we're going to be using this offer for the purchase, buying the traffic guide. Okay, it's something which I really like. And if you see the sales page preview, I don't know if they have loaded up the sales page preview. Let's see. Okay, they are. No, they have not yet loaded. It's just a JV page over here. So we're going to be requesting the affiliate link. So when you land on the JV page, you want to see this video from the vendor and then click on the affiliate link. Okay. So we're going to be taken to the warriorplus affiliate offer, and I'm already approved over here. So you can see over here, there is a commission of $600. If somebody buy every single OTO, you're going to be making $600. All right, so you can see, and they have got a lot of upsells, and these guys product converts like crazy. You can see the conversion is like 13% conversion. So every 100 people see this offer, 13 of them are usually buying it. Okay, so this is beyond a high conversion. Okay, average EPC is 3.81. So the EPC means earning per click. So every single visitor you send to this offer sales page is worth over $3.81. Okay, that is amazing. Okay, so we're going to be promoting this offer. Now in this case, the offer I'm already approved, but in your case, if you are a new affiliate and if you're not getting approved for a new Warrior Plus offer, here is something that you should be doing. So in this case, you can see over here, if somebody's not approved, there's going to be a button where you can basically request an affiliate offer. So let me show you. if I can with a new different offer, if I can show you. Okay, so I'm going to be coming to the main page. Just give me a sec to load. Okay, so I'm here on a random page over here. So here you can basically click on this request approval, and there would be a box which would appear over here. Now for new affiliates or those affiliates who thinks I'm not going to be approved for Warrior Plus offer, let me share with you what you can type it in here. So if I open my tab, here is what I would suggest you to type it. I don't know if everything is going to be put it into that box. Hi, I'm Sachin here, your name. I'm new to affiliate marketing. I would promote your offer only through my verified email list that is built with Udemy solo ads. I would also provide bonuses to my visitors to incentivize them to buy your products. I promise I will send you clean and fresh traffic, so kindly please approve my affiliate request. Thanks, and your full name. Try to put this message into this request column, my friend. Okay, request column, and then place on request offer, and I think they would approve you. Even if you are a newbie affiliate, they would approve you, because the thing that you are telling them what you would do with the offer is really looking like a genuine affiliate request. Okay, so make sure you can pause this video, or you want me to put it in the description, I would put this text in the description so that you can copy it. Okay, so this is something that would work, I'm sure. So click on request. Now in this case, I'm not going to be requesting, because I'm not going to be promoting this offer, because that is something not my audience. Okay, so I'm not going to be promoting Sandy's offer. Okay, so let's see if I could share with you any other offer. So once you get approved, you will get a link over here. Then what you want to do is click on the link, and you can just highlight this link and copy it. Once you pick up the offer link, what you want to do is, we have already created a squeeze page in the last video. We have already created a thank you page. So what you want to do is, on the thank you page, you would paste that affiliate link on this image and on this text. So let me share with you how you can do it. Okay, so in this case, this is a thank you page. I'm going to click on edit, so it will load up the InstaBuilder plugin editing software. So in this page, we're going to be putting that link. So how you could put your affiliate link is, you can click on this image if you want to put affiliate link over here, and then the option that would come over here, you're going to click on action, and you can select do nothing, go to URL, open a pop-up, select go to URL, and you can paste your affiliate link over here. That's it. Now if you're buying certain traffic from certain guy, make sure to put / and the name of that guy. Suppose it is solo ad 1, you can put this thing, because what would happen is, you will come to know, if you get a sale, you will come to know from this thing the person clicked on the image, and then from that link I got sales. So you will concentrate then on putting a link on your image. That is how we track Warrior Plus affiliate links over here. If I would suggest a solo ad guy name, whatever is, so let's say Jim, and you want to type in image, so you would come to know that from Jim's traffic I got sale, and from image, that means somebody clicked on image and then I got sales. Okay, that is how you can do it. And the next thing you can do is click on this thing. You can click on this, and there is an option that will come over here. Click on edit, and then you can basically just copy, highlight it, and then go to this link section, insert and edit, and in here you can again paste your affiliate link, and in this case again / and the name of the traffic that you are buying. In this example, we're going to be saying Jim. Once you have done it, click on OK. All right, and once you completed this editing step, click on this button, and that will save it. That's it. Once it's done, your thank you page is ready, and when somebody clicks on this image, it's going to take into an affiliate offer. if somebody clicks on this, they're going to be taken to the affiliate offer as well. So the offer is loading, so give some time to load. Okay, so this is a Smash My Campaigns offer from Brandon Mace. This is the offer I'm promoting. All right, and this is the exact same offer which have made me a lot of money on Warrior Plus over here. So, and that is why I'm really passionate about promoting that particular offer. All right, so this is how you put your affiliate link onto the thank you page. Okay, so this was the intention of this video, to tell you how to pick up an offer and how to place it on the thank you page. Okay, now third thing you want to do is put that same affiliate link into the email follow-up sequence, the first email follow-up sequence. Okay, the way you can track, I've already told you, after affiliate link, / and the first email follow-up, right? The first email follow-up. So if some guy go to the first email follow-up sequence and then purchase through that link, you will come to know that, oh God, the first email follow-up sequence is working very well. Okay, so this is how we track. So in the next video, I'm going to be showing with you how to set up the email follow-up sequence. Okay, so if you want to learn more, you can subscribe to my channel if you're interested. If you like this content, you can click the like button. If you didn't like it, just click the dislike button. But let me know what you didn't like, so that I can improve myself in my next video. All right, so see you there in the step 3 of affiliate marketing tutorials for beginners, and see you there next time. Have a great day. Bye bye.